To anyone that might be thinking about making a change, if you're alone, if you're lonely, and you can no longer keep up with what repairs, I don't even have to change a light bulb or to buy it. That's done for me. You don't have to keep up the yard. This is the place for you to come. Let others take care of you while you just enjoy the rest of your years.
Living in this facility, I had nothing on my shoulders to worry about. I am more independent. As a result of moving here, there's just more outlets, there's more variety, there's more options.
Independence, was something I value. And I was able, when I first moved here, I really didn't know what to expect. For me, this has been a really good situation. So I've been, if anything, I've been more independent here than I was earlier.
We were in the process of having needs, and we looked at a number of facilities, but it was, and safety was the big concern. And that's what I told him all the time. I says, we have to be safe. So I came and looked at the facility, brought the information back to my husband, showed him the apartment I had picked, and we're here.
My husband died very young, and I stayed in the house for 5 years, and I needed a little extra help, and that just got too much for me. I had a pool I couldn't get in and out of, and I went around looking, and this met all my needs. And what I want to emphasize is that my needs have changed in 17 years. And along the way, the establishment I've been with has helped me get through each little change. And they've made it safer, more convenient, and it just meets my needs. And there's so much to do and so many friends that it makes it very enjoyable. I do see some people that come in and they waited too late. They're here maybe a month and realize they really need more than what the place has to offer, and they missed out on all the nice things of taking trips out to dinner, playing games, all the things going on. And that's sad. So I'd say come in while you can still enjoy all the activities, and you can always settle down to a quieter style as the time goes by.
While my husband was living, we worked for a retirement company for 10 years. And after he passed away, I was always an independent person. But after he passed away, I found that I wasn't as independent as I thought I was, that I needed some help. I began to have health issues. Both boys, both my sons, were like 4 hours away. So the time came that it was imminent that I had to move where they could take care of me. And then too, I was prompted to move here because we have transportation and I no longer drive. We have the emergency cords that we could get help anytime we need it. We have our food served to us. I don't have to do dishes. I don't have to cook except when I want to. And eating in the dining room has been a great help because it gets old eating by yourself. And I think most of these can identify with that. But I have that privilege of coming to the dining room with my friends, visiting, having social there. And so I am very well pleased here and have no intentions of moving right now at this time.
The main reason for coming here was both the wife and I were getting where we needed either help in the home or help in the yard, and we had already farmed out the responsibility for a pool we happened to have. So the time seemed right.
I love living here, and I can't think of living anywhere else for the rest of my life.